False Irish, welcome back to your Everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lesson, and this one is such a good one today. August and Chachensha this week, you're going to love this one. Not only are we going to look at how to tell someone to have a nice day, but have a nice weekend, have a good evening, all of them. So Lanham Sarai, on we go. Have a nice day is Bíoch lá das agat. Bíoch. Bíoch lá das agat. Bíoch lá das agat. Or in Connacht, Bích lá das ad, they pronounce this like odd. You can type any of these into Aberdarsha Il as it's written here and be able to hear them in each of the dialects. Bích lá das agat, have a nice day. So a great one to say to people when you're at the fágal and ifig when you're leaving the office. Or a great one to say to your kids as well and tell them to have a nice day when they go off to school every day. Have a nice weekend then. You would just substitute lá with der shachtana. Bích der shachtana das agat. Have a nice weekend. Bích der shachtana das agat. You can substitute jas with ma, which is good. Bích lá ma ad. Have a good weekend. Bích der shachtana ma agat. Have a good weekend. This is some great, some natural, everyday Irish that native speakers use. Cholala every day that you can use when you're at a Kirkle Cora. Say to your kids, say to your partner, say to your friends, or say to anyone in the office. Cholala cholachachtan every day or every week. So Gura Mila Mahadarish, thank you so much again. If I comment I'll see you next week. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter if you're not. If you're watching this later on YouTube, you can sign up for that below. Slán go fóill, bye for now.